How to manage caller ID lists. When making calls from PressOne, you may want these calls to be received with a proper caller ID from the customer's side, which is why PressOne offers you the option to set up caller ID numbers. It is important to note that you should include a number for each area code that you are going to contact. If you haven't specified an area code, then a number will be randomly taken from the list of those specified. If you want to offer to the customer the option to return calls to the caller ID received, you must set this number to get calls back. You should have an Excel file with these numbers, and you must upload it in order to use it in your campaigns. In this video, you will see how to manage these caller ID lists. As the first step, please go to portal.dialer.sauce2.co. Once there, you must log in. You will be redirected to your dashboard. Now, you will see some tabs on top. Please click on SID tab. You must click on the Add New button to add a new SID list. A new window will come up, showing different options to set, such as File Name. Set a name for the SID list you are going to create so you can identify it. Browse and upload through your computer and choose the Excel or CSV file where you have your SIDs. This SID are the caller IDs which the customers are going to see on their phones when a call is made. So, you can choose whichever phone numbers you want to show there. You can set the column on the Excel file where the phone numbers are, in this case the column A. You must specify if your Excel contains a header or not. When your list is specified by area codes, check this option over here. PressOne will call the external numbers using a number with the same area code. If you want PressOne to choose between the numbers in your SID randomly, you can check this option over here. After you finish setting everything up, click on the Save button and you will have your SID ready for the campaign. Thanks for watching.